Exercise 3. Lamson Sauces produces a hot sauce using tomatoes and chili peppers. Lamson developed the following standard cost sheet. So this is the information of tomatoes and chili peppers. Okay, and the yield is 165 ounces. On March 2nd, 2014, Lamson produced a batch of 32,000 ounces with the following actual result. And the yield is 25,400 ounces. So calculate the yield ratio, standard cost per unit of yield, direct material yield variance, direct material mix variance. So let's take a look at the answer. The yield ratio, 165 over 200, and we got 0.825. Second, the standard cost per unit of yield, we got 0.02. The direct material yield variance, okay, the standard yield minus actual yield times with the standard cost per unit of yield. So how you get this one? Okay, this is the workings, and minus with 25,400 times with the 0.02 and get $20 unfavorable. Okay, the fourth. Okay, tomatoes, actual quantity, chili peppers, actual quantity, standard mix. Okay, so you get this one from these calculations, and after deducting and multiplying with the selling price, you get this number, and at the end you get the direct material mix variance of $48 unfavorable. Let's move to the question 4. Okay, more or less the same with the question 3. So let's read. Sanderson Company uses two types of direct labor for the manufacturing of its integrated electronic components, soldering and testing. Sanderson has developed the following standard mix for direct labor, where output is measured in number of circuit boards. So this is the information of soldering and testing, and the yield is 25 hours. During the second week in April 2014, Sanderson produced the following result. So this is the the result, and the yield is 150,000 hours. So same goes the requirement. Yield ratio, standard cost per unit of yield, direct labor yield variance, direct labor mix variance. Okay. The yield ratio, 25 over 5, we got 5. The standard cost, we got 3 per unit of yield. Direct labor yield variance, we got 60,000 favorable. So this information, this is the working. Alright, direct labor mix variance, okay. Put all the figures. These figures got from this information, and we got 14,000 unfavorable. Let's move to the next exercise. Okay, let's see the question. The Sintok plant of Norton Industry manufactures a special transformer part. The plant measures production level in terms of direct labor hours and uses a flexible budget system to plan and control departmental overhead costs. The following standard cost is developed for the special transformer. So this is the information: direct material for iron and copper, direct labor, variable manufacturing overhead, fixed manufacturing overhead. Both manufacturing overhead rates were based on practical capacity of 4,000 direct labor hours per month. Variable overhead costs are expected to vary with the number of direct labor hours actually used. During October 2019, the Sintok plant produces 800 transformers, and actual costs incurred are summarized below. So this is the information: direct material for iron and copper, direct labor, variable manufacturing overhead, and fixed manufacturing overhead. So we have to calculate all the variance first. Okay, the labor rate variance. So you put all the information for the labor rate variance. Okay, and you get 280 unfavorable. Labor efficiency variance. You put all those information and you get 1,400 unfavorable. unfavorable. Material price variance, okay, you get 260 unfavorable. Material usage variance, you get 400 unfavorable. Variable overhead spending variance, you get 1,800 unfavorable. Variable overhead efficiency variance, you get 600 unfavorable. Okay, for fixed overhead spending variance, okay, for all the you put all those information and you get 800 unfavorable. Fixed overhead volume variance, you got 1,600 unfavorable. Okay, two reasons for direct labor rate variance, because of pay skilled workers work extra times, and you have to elaborate it. And two reasons for material variance, use extra raw materials because of low quality of raw materials, wrongly use unit of materials, and so on. Okay, you can put your own reasons in. That's all. Thank you.